Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to film this video for you. It is something I never thought I would buy, but now it is quite interesting to me. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. So I got hit by the Instagram ad bug, okay? But it's something that I have actually been looking into for the past, I'd say 6-7 months. It is actually called Lashify, if you guys have not ever heard of it. So what it is it is a quote-unquote lash extension system that you can do at home. And it's these little pieces, not little pieces, but like what they call gossamers of lashes. It's supposed to be really easy. It can stay on one day or it can stay on up to 10 days. I mean, I'm not the biggest lash person, but lately I've been kind of like, you know, I haven't been wearing as much makeup, and so I've been wanting to maybe just wake up and feel a little bit more put together, especially if I'm, you know, obviously some of us have to wear masks, and I just kind of want my eyes and that to kind of shine. So I've never tried this before, but I've watched so many lives from them on Instagram that I think I might be able to do this. So I know a lot of you guys have actually been interested in this, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I purchased all of this obviously myself. I did purchase, and it's expensive by the way, so make sure if you do look into this, go on their lives, and the owner, I forget her name, she's super fun. She gives out discount codes all the time. I actually got this whole set for $100. That was the promotion that they were doing. This is called their core set, and what it is it can either get white or black, and you get a choice of A, B, C's, which is the curl, okay? And this is gonna be a lot of information, so bear with me for a second. So I actually got, what did I get? I got B's, because B's are actually supposed to be a touch dramatic, like a little bit more mascara look, but not crazy curl, okay? They have so many other styles that could fit anybody else, so take a look if you're interested, but this comes in the core set. You need this patented tool. It makes it so much easier. Then it comes with two different glues, and it comes, I chose to do the, you have to be really gentle with these, you guys. I chose to do the B12, and I believe the B14, yep, B14, and then I also ordered extra the B10s, okay? Then it comes with, this is called the clear, I believe. So the one thing I will say that does not come in the kit that I feel you need is the prep. Okay, this is what you're gonna to prep the lashes with, and then this is how you remove them. It's super easy to remove. And then you need some sort of like disposable wands, okay, and that does not come in the kit. So we're gonna start out, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, we're gonna start out with pre-cleanse, which is what I believe she calls it, a Japanese cleansing water, and it basically takes off any residue on the lashes. And you're supposed to comb through. I just literally got out of the shower, so my lashes are pretty clean, but just making sure, because you want to make sure that your lashes are clear of anything, any debris, because you want to make sure that they stick, okay? All right, now there's also like a little puffer thing to dry your stuff. I did not get that, so I'm just going to use the thing that came in the kit. It does come with a full instructions, and it's a very high-end, like you feel like you're getting your money's worth. It comes in a beautiful box. This is really nice to keep everything in, but you want to make sure that these are all nice and dry. So they say you do not have to curl your lashes first, but if you have straighter lashes, which I do, it's easier if you curl your lashes first, so that's what we're gonna do. This I think is great for people that have sparse lashes. Now, you know, I swear by Grande Lash MD, which is my lash growth serum, it says to not use lash growth serums while you're wearing them. You can obviously wear them when they're out. I mean, you can use it while they're out, but not while you have them on, because oil will take these off. This is just like lash extensions, but this is not supposed to hurt your lashes at all. The glue has also been tested for sensitive eyes. It also does not include any formaldehyde or anything that normally most people would have like an allergy to when you're going to get your, you know, your lash extensions. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I've been waiting to do this. Okay, so you have a glue here. So this side is white glue, And then this side is black glue. Okay. So what they say, and the reason why they recommend this for beginners is because you have playtime. There is one that will hold your lashes on longer, but this you have playtime. Okay, so I'm going to start with this eye. I'm going to create an eye that looks a little bit more almond shaped. They said that if you bring this all the way through too much, they can clump. So my goal right now is to just get it at the base and brush a little bit through. Base, little bit through. Okay, and they said if it gets clumpy, which my lashes just do, make sure you close this up, you guys. Okay, brush it through. Oh my God. Okay, I can see how you can easily put way too much glue on, so just keep that in mind. I got a little in my eye. It's okay, it doesn't hurt. Now, what they say is to do down the lockdown method, which is to take your clear glue and do dots at the base. This is a lot, I'm just going to be honest, it's a lot harder when you do it yourself, like for the first time. Okay, so you're supposed to let this kind of dry and do its thing. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Okay, so you're going to take your tool. These clear things come off. It's just to help with like stickiness. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to start with a B12. And she said you want to take the lash and you want to pull down with the tool. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try my best to show you guys this. It goes underneath the lash, not right at the root, just a touch up. Oh my God, that was so easy. And they said it's supposed to lock down just like that if your glue is the way it's supposed to be. Okay, you ready? We're gonna do another 12. Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, and these girls like just blow through all of this. They go so fast. And you have playtime, so if you need to take them off, readjust, your hand is better to come in at an angle instead of like, you have to be able to maneuver your hand like this to make them go in the right directions. I'm shocked. Okay. Oh my God, I'm like getting ahead of myself. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna take one more 12. I'm going to angle it kind of more out. It's actually so much easier once you get everything on. Look down into a mirror, that's really important. This is so easy. And it looks amazing. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a 14, okay? Okay, this one's a little bit harder, so angle your hand out. Wow. Wow. I don't love how that's placed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a touch more of the white glue, like this. I'm wondering if I need a shorter lash there. But I'm just gonna touch a little bit like this, a little bit of the glue. Just like you would do a strip lash. Let's try this again. I'm gonna open my eyes real wide. I love that. Okay, so one tip, because I used to do lash extensions, one tip, if you have an eye that's downturned, this look will be great for you, but make sure you use a shorter one on the outside. So you're gonna go short and then the longest one on the second one from the outside. That way it doesn't bring your eye down. Their lives are really great about this, so you might wanna stop kind of just with a couple of those little hairs out of it, just so your eye has a tendency to go more up than to continue it going down, if that makes sense. This is gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna apply a 10, and I am going to apply a little bit more glue again, because if you know, most eyes, even with lashes, like regular lashes, I'm just using the white glue again, have a tendency to fall off on the outsides and the insides quicker than they would the middle. And a lot of them actually pull their eyelid up like this. Yep. I mean, did that take me just like a couple of minutes? Well, oh my gosh, I think that's good for my first time. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to do the lockdown method, which is where you come in. Okay, let's see if I can do it. You're going to go this way with your wand or your tool, and you're going to go at the base and you're going to lock it down. Base, oops, ouch. Lock it down. Base. It's a little tricky. Yeah, I would not run that glue through the whole lash. This is only gonna get better and better, like as I continue to work with it. I'm gonna have to order more, like literally today. I love this so much. What I'll do is if I want a little more dramatic, I'll start the 16s here and make it more dramatic. But the 10s, I mean the 10s and the 12s for me, that's the jam. That's the jam. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to take your clear, and it's this little guy right here, okay? And if you want your lashes to look more glossy, you're gonna run this the whole way through. If you want them just to make sure that there's no stickiness, you're just gonna use the ball, which is what I'm gonna do. And you just do it at the base, like this. And you can do it on top, it says. But this takes all of the sticky residue off. Oh, I might be addicted. Let's fly through the other side. Would you guys be interested in something like this? This does not feel weird. It doesn't feel heavy. Okay, so here they are on. I just did my makeup. That's it. I didn't have nothing on my eyeballs. I just did my eye. I love this. Like, it's probably not going to be good for my channel because I'm not going to want to do any eye looks. I'm just joking. But like, wow, this is so, it really honestly was easy. The second eye took me about 3 or 4 minutes. I just can't wait to play with more styles. I'm literally going to go order more right now. They have these like wispy, fluffy lashes. I'm going to get more of those 12s because I can already tell that 12s are going to be my jam. For me, I just don't want a lot longer. But couple tips. Take your time. Play with this before you even put your lashes on. I did practice fusing just with nothing on it several times before this. I've watched like 7 or 8 lives. I have gone on to their past lives as well to watch just to make sure I'm educated. But you can wear makeup with these, you guys. The best way I think to do is to go ahead and do all of your makeup, all of your eyeshadow, and everything that you might want to wear. Then take your pre-cleanse, make sure your lashes are clean, and then obviously move on with your day. Now, when you take these off, you're gonna need to go and get an oil-free eye makeup remover. You can also use like Bioderma. There is that micellar water or micellar water that is oil-free. You can use that to take them off. Just be really careful with them. And you can obviously use that, you know, as your cleanser as well. And then you can use an oil-free face cleanser. Just be careful with the eyes. That's all I'm going to say. So that's the only drawback, is just being kind of really extra careful with the eye area. There is another glue that you can get that makes them stay on for a lot longer, but there's no play time. You have to be like really good at it. You have to like, you know, put the glue on and then snap them in, snap them in, snap them in. So just kind of little tidbits. Are you guys going to try these? Have you seen ads for these? There you have it. That is my application of the Lashify system, and I am wholeheartedly super excited to have these and can't wait to play with more styles. But comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you ever going to try something like this? Would you ever try something like this? I just think it's perfect for right now. I think it's perfect for what's happening, and I hope that we, you know, had a good time doing it together. So thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves. Oh, if you wanted to see, if I can show you what they look like underneath, that's what they look like. And they actually do this really fun thing on their lives, which is called, what do they call it? Lash cleavage. I'm gonna see if I can do it. So that's what they look like from the side. And you can see like the curl of these. So B is going to be this curl. I believe A and C are a little bit straighter. They do have D's and they are a lot more curly, but B's are just a touch more dramatic. A's and C's are not as dramatic as far as I understand it. Again, I'm no expert, but that's as far as I understand.